Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure password managers for Web3 access with 1Password step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the 1Password website. If you haven't already, create a free account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, download the 1Password app for your device. Install the app by following the prompts for your operating system. After installation, open the 1Password app. You'll be prompted to enter your master password. This is the key to all your stored information, so choose a strong password. Once inside the app, you'll see an option to create a new vault. Click on the option to create a vault and name it something relevant, like Web3 access. Now, let's add a new item to the vault. Select the option to add a new password entry. In the website field, enter the URL of the Web3 platform you want to access. Fill in your username and password for that platform in the respective fields. You can also add notes if necessary, such as recovery phrases or other important information. Make sure to enable any two-factor authentication options provided by the Web3 platform. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Save or the checkmark to store the entry. Now, to access your Web3 platform, open the 1Password app. Locate the vault where you stored your Web3 access credentials. Click on the entry you created for the Web3 platform. You can copy the username and password directly from the app. Now go to the Web3 platform and enter your details. If the platform supports browser extensions, install the 1Password extension for easy access. Log in using the 1Password extension next time you visit the platform. This process enhances your Web3 security by keeping your credentials safe and organized. Remember to periodically update your passwords for added security. Always back up your 1Password data to avoid data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.